So this is for class 8 mathematics, and last time I have taught you about the squares and the square root, and there I taught you the how to find out the perfect square. Now here is also the same type of the questions is also here. The question is 300 perfect square? If not, find the number by which 300 should be divided. Last time I taught you about the multiplication. Here there is a divided, so that the quotient is perfect square. So how to solve this? Now again we have to check here, is the 300 perfect square or not, and if it is not, then we have to find out that number. So let us see, this is the question. Now in the solution, you have to take 300 and you have to factorize this. So by prime factorization method. So you have to divide this number by only the prime number. That also I have already told you. So this is your 300. So the last digit is 0. So you have to divide it by 2. So that is divided. 2, 1 is 2. 1 is left. So it is 10. So 2, 5 is 10. 0 is left. 2, 0 is 0. Like this. Now again there is 0. So divide by 2. So 2, 7 is 14. 1 is left, and then 2, 5 is 10. Now there is 75. Now if the last digit is 5, then you have to divide this number by 5. So write 5 like this, and then 5, 1 is 5, 2 is left here. So 2 and 5, 25. So 5 is 25. Now 15, again you can divide by 5. 5, 3 is 15, and now the 3 single number is left. So 3, 1 is 3. So this is the division. Now we have to check here, the 300 is a perfect square or not. So you have to write 300. Then now all these numbers 2, then this 2 multiply with this 5, then again with this 5, and then with this 3. Now let us check it. Now you have to make a pair like this. Now 2 is in pair, 5 is also in pair, but this 3 is not in pair. So if you get a single number out here, then you can say that the given number is not a perfect square. So you can write here 300 is not a perfect square. So we have checked here, the 300 is not a perfect square. Now the next part questions is also there, that also we have to solve it. Now we got 3 here. So you have to divide this 300 by the 3. Now when you divide it, you will get 100, 3 into 100, 300, so you are getting 100 here. Now, so you have to check this 100 is a perfect square or not. So again, you have to factorize this. So 100 you can divide by 2. 2, 5 is 10, 0 is 0. So 2 again, 2, 2, 4, 1 is 8, 2, 5. Now it's 25. So again divide by 5. 5, 5 is 25. 5, 1 is 5. Now let's check it, 100 is a perfect square or not. So you are getting here this 2 in the 2 into 5 into 5. So you are getting like this. So make a pair. 2 is in the pair. Now 5 is also in pair. So we can say that whatever number we have got here, that is a perfect square. So here the 100 is the number. So in this way you can check and you can find out the given number, the perfect square or not. So now after writing this, now I will give you some work which you have to do at your home also. Now the work is here. You have to check. The question is here. This is your homework. Question number 1. Check whether the given number is perfect square or not, and if not, find the smallest number by which this should be divided so that quotient is perfect square. So this is the question. Now I'll give you the numbers. So number A is here 5625. Number B is here 432. Number C is here 2500. Number D is here 784. Number E 1682. Number F is here 1728. So these are the questions which you have to practice at your home. So today this much only.